Alright. Checking in on today's sky. Today is October the 8th, 2024. It's Tuesday. It's about 2 p.m. Oh, still got clear skies. Those clouds earlier went away, disappeared. Now we got clear blue skies. Yeah. Clear blue. Alright. The grass is pretty dry. We haven't had any rain in a while. Yeah, it's about 2 p.m. right now. Got a good breeze. It's coming from the northwest. More from the west than northwest. Right. Skies are quiet, not much happening right now. Alright, there's your sun. It's facing south. Let's see, where should it be setting? It should be setting over here. That's southwest. Sun will be gone by 6 p.m. Right. Calm and quiet day. Yeah. It's nice weather out here. It's been looking like this for the past few days. And I don't see a moon. It should be up there somewhere. I'm doing alright today. How y'all doing? Doing alright? Okay. Wherever y'all are, hope you all are doing alright out there. Alright. Nice day today. About 65, 70 degrees, I think. Big bright sun. This will be it for now. Not much to see today. So get out and enjoy your day today, and I shall talk to y'all later. Keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. This is October the 8th, 2024. It's Tuesday. Checking in on today's sky. It's a very cool day today. Clear skies, bright sun. Nice weather. Very nice. Alright. I'm gone. Don't forget to hit that like button and click that subscribe button. Leave a comment. I shall talk to y'all later. This will be it for now. Mm-hmm.